Welcome to Ask and Learn.
The first atomic explosion occurred in New Mexico on July 16, 1945, and quite a bit of strontium-90 was produced. And we want to know how much is left later on in 2017. So, to solve this, we're going to analyze our half-life derivation equation, which is represented by how much sample is left at the time we're analyzing, which is equal to the original amount of the radioactive isotope present multiplied by E to the following quantity of negative ln of 2 over the half-life times the time elapsed. So this just becomes a plug and chug type of problem. So, at this point, we don't know yet how much is left, in fact, because we want to figure that out. Now, this problem asked for what percentage is left, and the easiest way to analyze this is to assume that at the start you had 100 grams of sample. So I'll just put a 100 here, so whatever number I get back for NT at the end will represent what percentage is left. So I'll multiply that by E to this quantity. Now negative of ln of 2 ends up simplifying to negative 0.693. The half-life given in this problem for this strontium-90 is 28.9 years. And then, how much time has elapsed? Well, the original detonation was in 1945, and we are looking at it, how much is left in 2017, so that will work itself out to be 72 years. So, by plugging everything in, taking 100 times the E of this massive quantity here, it gives me a number of 17.8. Which means if we had started with 100% of sample, then by the end of 2017, on that July date, there would be 17.8% of the original strontium-90 produced in this explosion remaining.